Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin update today. And Dogecoin, due to Bitcoin, has made one red candle again, but this is not new. I think Dogecoin has been doing this over and over and over again, and here it is, right? So move up, come down, move up, come down, move up, come down, and you've just been doing this for quite some time, and you're still not losing the nerves here. So you can see we're still getting that support at the 10 and the 20. You've always been coming down to like the 20, close to the 20 again and again and again. So I just think it's another normal day in the office. It's just another normal day of consolidation, nothing else. Because if you do take the trend line here and you start to count all those wicks, we still have the coin itself that is getting a lot of support right now. So the thing is, let's say you do start to lose the trend line, close below the trend line, I think you're going to come down to 0.33. And if you end up coming up here, so let's say I'm just going to drop in this one trend line right there, and you're going to be coiling up. I think you can actually push up again, take some stop losses here. And if you do a behavior, if you just continue to go on and do this behavior again and again, then we're going to look at a junction until 4 of January. So it shouldn't take more than, like, if you wonder what the next move is coming up for Dogecoin, I think it's going to be until before 4th of January. It could be today, tomorrow, whatever, but the maximum time we're going to have to wait is 24 days. So 24 days, we're going to get an answer. Whatever this is, I think you could even do something where you make a fake out and then you drop down like this. That can really happen. Also, keep in mind that Bitcoin, on the other hand, I've made a Bitcoin update. Go and watch that Bitcoin update, as it is really important for you guys to know what is going on next. I think Bitcoin can move to $77,000, so that's not going to be very good for Doge. So before Bitcoin gets down to 77K, let's really hope that Doge really pumps up all of a sudden and then finally correct along with Bitcoin. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.